decimal fraction. Decimal fraction is one of the important basic mathematics. See here. How this happens? See carefully here. If anywhere you see 5, okay. If you see 5, if you see 5, no, we can write this way 5.0. You can write this way 5.00. You can write this way 5.000. So much 0. Okay. Suppose you find here 19. You find 19, no. If necessary, we can write 19.0, 19.00, 19.00000, so many zeros, and all values are same. 19, 19.0, 19.00, 19 point so many zeros, and it's all same only. 5, 5.0, 5.20, 5 point so many zeros, and it's coming same. Now as this value is same, but how to use this? See here. Suppose this way example coming. See. Suppose 13.5 plus 192.697, and we have to do this addition. Okay. While doing addition of decimal fraction, right, numbers are down of each other. See here. 13.5. Now we have to write this number 192.697. Now see here, after this how many decimal points here are? 3. And here how many? 1 only. See here is 1 only point, here 3 points. Then while doing addition or subtraction, see carefully here. While doing addition or subtraction, here should be same decimal points. Here are how many? 3 decimal points. Here 1 only. Then what we should do? To make equal decimal point, we should increase zeros where are necessary. Here no necessary. Here 2 zeros necessary. Then you should write this way. Okay? 13.5 and 13.500. It is same thing, not different thing. 13.5 and 13.500. It is same thing. Now we should write this way. Addition, subtraction, decimal point should be down of each other. Here would be 6, 9, 7, and here would be 2, 9, should be 1 here. This way. See here. If there are less and more decimal points, then we should make equal decimal points. And to make equal decimal point, we should increase the necessary zeros on small number means where are less decimal points there are. Now see addition, 7, 9, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 coming point, 3 to 5, 6 coming, 10, 1, 2. The answer coming here 206, 206.197. This way answer will become. See now use of this means you should remember this much only, that while doing addition or subtraction of decimal fraction, there should be equal decimal point for both numbers. Therefore, to make equal decimal, see, important concept is that to make equal decimal, you should increase zeros. You should not cut this number. You should increase here zeros. And how many zeros you should increase? How much necessary? Those ones only. Here are 3 decimals. Here single decimal. Therefore, we should increase here 2 zeros and do addition to subtraction in our regular way. Okay. Same thing about subtraction also. For addition, subtraction, same thing. Okay. That you should make equal decimals, and to make equal decimals, increase zeros. Now see here multiplication. See here 15.67 into 8.4. Suppose this is example given. Now while doing multiplication of decimal fractions, we should do multiplication as our regular way. This way 8.4, and for some time we should forget this decimal point. This decimal point we should forget. Okay, don't think about this and do as our regular multiplication. This way 4 7s are 28 to carry over, 4 6s are 24, 24 and 2 26 to carry over, 4 for the 20 and 2 22 to carry over, 4 on the 4, 4 and 2 6. Now one number finish, one this way. 8 7s are 56 5. 8 6 is 48. 48 and 5, 53. 5 carry over. 8 5 is 40 and 5, 45. 4 carry over. 8 1 is 8. 8 and 4, 12. This way we should our regular multiplication. Don't think about decimal point. And what answer coming? 8. 6 and 6, 12. 1. 3 1 4 to 6. 6 and 5, 11. 1 coming. 3 and 1. Now after multiplication, see here, after multiplication you should count the digit after the decimal point. See here, after this 1 2 3. See here, 1 2 3 from right hand side. 1 2 3 from right hand side, count 1 2 3 and give here decimal point. Okay, suppose now instead of here decimal point it was here. Okay, suppose it was here, then how many there decimal? That 1 2 from right side, 1 2 from right hand side, and so will become this much. Anywhere maybe you may shift here decimal point, there will be no change in multiplication. There will be no change in multiplication, only the decimal point will be shifted. See here, suppose here and downside no decimal only, no decimal downside, direct 84 given. Downside direct 84, see this way, 1.567 into 84, downside no, then we should count this much only, 1 2 3 only. Then count 1 2 3 from right hand side and give here sign. Okay, now you may think that if no upside also, then what we should do? Then if no upside also, we should not do anything, only remove this way. Okay, this much only answer. When we know this regularly, this way. Suppose 1 point, only 1 point here, then we will be here, this way coming. Okay, means in multiplication of decimal fraction, you should do multiplication regularly and count how many there are digits after decimal point. See this way count, 1 only, 1 only. Suppose here coming 2, here will be 2, this way only. Here again 1 2 3, then count here 1 2 3, this way. Suppose it is coming here, then what will be? 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4, here will be. This way decimal point will be shifted. See here, count how many numbers there are after decimal and shift that much numbers from right hand side and give decimal point. This way will be simple thing about multiplication of decimal fraction. Now see here, division of decimal fraction. Division now, see carefully here. Many times they are giving this way question, that 12 upon 5. Now this we have to convert into decimal point. See now here, how to convert? See now here, 12 upon 5. Now see here, 12 is not in table of 5. We know that 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, not that. Then we know that after decimal there are so many zeros. After decimal there are so many zeros. Now see here, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10, 2 remaining. Okay, the 2 remaining, no, here 0 is after decimal. As soon as we think about this number or taking this number in account, we should take point here u. Then 2 and 0 20 become 5 4 is 20. Finish here. Therefore again we can write 5 0 0 0 only. Therefore no necessary of that. Answer coming 2.4. Now see here, 13 upon 8. This way coming. Now same thing, 13 upon 8 no, 13.08. Not single zero, we can write so many zeros. Okay, so now here, 8 1 is 8, 8 1 is 8. How much remaining? 5 remaining. Then what will be answer? Give decimal point. When to give decimal? When we are taking the decimal number after 0, after that decimal point, then we should do this way. 50 coming now. How much coming? 50. 8 6 is 48. How much remaining? 2 remaining. 2 remaining no? We know that here are so many zeros. 2 remaining, 20. Say table of 8 till 20. 8 2 is 16. 4 coming. 8 5 is 40. Answer coming here 1.625. This much answer coming. Okay. See now here. Suppose downside of the decimal. See this way, 13.97 upon 1.2 this way. Okay, this way giving. Now, if this way example coming 13.97 1.2, then what we should do? See carefully here. If this way coming, then what we should do? Shift this way. This will decimal here. This will be here. This way. Then what answer coming? 139.7 upon 12. Shift this point 1 here. Shift this one here. 139.7 upon 12. Now we know that 139.7 upon 12. 1 is smaller than 12. We can do it directly 13. 12 ones are 12. Answer coming 1. This is now our regular division. Okay. We have to think about only division when decimal points are there. How to do? See here. Shift 1 point here. Shift 1 point here. This way we should do. See. Shift 1 point here. And that much point shift here only. Now see here. And always remember. If there are no numbers, no decimal, it is after point that. Suppose this way, 11 upon 5.8. Suppose this way. Then you may think that here is no decimal only. What we should do? Here decimal. 0.00 so many. They shift 1, they shift 1. 110 upon 58.00. You can take so much this way. See here, 12 ones are 12, 1. Take 9. Again 12 ones are 12. Remain 7. See here. Now we are taking this 7 downside. As soon as we are taking this number downside, means which is after decimal. Which number is after decimal? As soon as we are taking this number downside, we should write here decimal point. This way. In division, you should not give decimal after full division. After finishing division, don't give. As soon as you are taking the number downside, which is after decimal point, you should give here decimal point and then take number. Okay? This way. See again. As soon as you are going to take the number which is after decimal point, as soon as we are taking this number downside, give point here. Now 11 and 77. We know that 11, 12. 12 step we are going to say. See here. 12 6 are 72. 72. Coming how much? 5 0. Take again 0. Then 12 4 are 48. Again remain 2 0. 12 ones are 12. This way there will be no end only. We can do so much decimal point. But this much is necessary enough. We can write 11.641 this way. Okay? See here. Sometimes there is no end for that division. See now here again I am clearing that point. If there is no decimal upside this way, suppose this way given, you may think that upside no decimal point. This is a decimal point. How 5 means 5.000 so much zeros. Now here 2.5. 5 means what? 5 point so many zeros. 12.5. Now shift this one, answer coming 50.00 upon 25. 25 on the 25, 25 to the 50, the answer coming 2.000, or we can say directly 2 only. Now remember this much only, that if there is no decimal point anywhere at numerator or denominator, it is always after that point, that number. Okay, then how much we necessary to shift this much, that only shift in numerator side also. Okay, this way we should do division of decimal point, decimal fraction.